In the last video we understood about the angle of elevation. So in this video we will, so what we mean by angle of depression. So angle I take a lot of time to write. Angle of depression. So similar, so it's as I mentioned at the last in the last video, it's just the vice versa of angle of elevation. So the angle of depression, so I will explain the angle of depression by again by diagrammatic representation. So this is my line AM. Okay, I will use the blue color. I think this was it. Yes, this was it. So this is my, so this is my line AM, and then this is my, and now here as the point B, the point B was above A, we will have some point, we will have point C. Let's take, I'm taking it as point C. So we will have point C below point A. So yeah, we will have point C below point A. So this will be here somewhere, what here, oops, somewhere here will be my point. So my point C will be somewhat here. So it's below, so it's in depression. That is, it's, so depression, that is this some hole, like, so it is mostly known as depression. So similarly, as it's below, the angle is also down. So this is the angle of depression. So if we define it, then we can have that if an observer at A, so here is the observer. So if an observer at A observes the point C, which is at a level lower than A, so at a level lower than A, so the level of A is somewhat like this, and the level of C is, you can see, is much below A. So at a level lower than A, and AM is a horizontal line, as we had the same case in the above example. So AM is the horizontal line, the angle AMAC is the angle of depression. So here we have this as the depression angle. You might know this symbol, which is actually angle. So it's a symbol. Instead of writing the whole spelling of angle, you can, so but but it's not a proper way, but as just for the sake of video I'm using this. So this is the angle of depression. So this is the depression angle. So that is if I'm in a tall building, so this is my tall building, so this is my house, or this is my building, and I'm here on the terrace, and I want to watch a scooter parked here. So okay, or I'm seeing a car, so it's a very shabby car. So I want to see this car. Then I need to tilt my neck down. So I need to tilt my neck down, because and my vision will be somewhat like this. So you can see here is my vision is in depression. That is, it's below than the normal. That is, the normal vision is this, and it's below, and we had the normal vision here, which and the angle of elevation was above, it was elevated. Similarly we have, actually not similarly, so we have it below. So this is here my angle of depression. So I'm leaving up you here. So in the future video we will solve some problems which will have some angle of elevations and some angle of depressions.